How in the hell does that even happen? What a pain in the ass. There's one installed. Look at that reflection. I pounded it down so it's nice and smooth. So that looks alright. And I'm going to get underneath and clean up the metal and see if I can weld it as is or if I need to put some extra metal behind it. Like how I'm keeping the clutch pedal from moving. So I got the spinning wheel of death out and cleaned it up a little bit so I can see what's going on. And you can see definitely cracked. But that metal still looks pretty good. So I'm going to see if I can throw some crappy flux core on there and see if I can just deal with it that way. I might still put something in there to reinforce it, but I don't know. That looks alright. Well, I'm all dressed up. Possibly the ugliest weld ever. I'm a grinder, not a welder. Come on. I'm not very fucking good at grinding either. Sorry I forgot to take pictures before I threw some paint on there. But you can see how terrible that is. But I beat on it pretty good with a hammer and it's not moving. So we're going to hold it and see. It's bolted all back together. So there we go. The welding held. It's not pulling up. My pedals are now in a more reasonable place instead of being like down here. I slapped some paint on the stop itself and I'm gonna throw some paint on the bolt and whatever's left of the floor there. Not to make it pretty, but to help protect it against rust and whatever. But that's it. This was useful. Close enough. I think the reason it went bad and rusted through was because that master cylinder was leaking brake fluid into the cabin. So I replaced that, so we're good. And that's how I discovered that that thing was peeling up. Alright guys, you want to help me out, click the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, give me a downvote. I don't care, it doesn't show anymore anyway. Alright guys, have a great one.